Hello friends, once again welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel. Today we'll show about how to get verified on Twitter. If you want to get a blue verified check mark beside your username on Twitter, so watch this full video. First of all, open the Twitter app on your device. In Twitter app, make sure you are logged into the account you want to verify. First I'll show how to get tag theme on Twitter. So now tap on your Twitter profile at the left corner. Now tap on icon at the bottom left corner. Now tap toggle on next to dark mode to turn on. It's done. Now tap on help center to start process for blue tick verified. Here you can find more options for blue tick verification. So now go to any web browser. Launch any web browser on your device and search for Help Twitter Impersonation. Wait for a while. Tap on Report an account for impersonation. Now select either an account is pretending to be me or someone I know, or an account is pretending to be me or represent my company, brand or organization. Now scroll down below to answer all of the questions and fill in the required fields in the form, including the name of the account which impersonating you, your own username, email address, etc. In the section where you can add any additional information you want to provide, mention that someone has impersonated you and that you want your account to be verified so your followers will know that this is your real account. Enter this note that I want to make sure my followers know this is my real account and that any account using similar username or claiming to be representing my company are not legitimate. I should like my account to be verified. Once you are done with this and attaching proof of identity, tap submit to send the form off to Twitter's support team. They will process your request and if successful, the account impersonating you will be taken down and your account will be granted a blue verified tick mark. If helpful this video, then please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.